back with another fucking banger, y'all. We're throwing a steam party. We got a GT pulling in. Not that many people here yet, but I'll let y'all know when it's popping.
She fucking with the motion. She fucking with the motion. She know we don't niggas. Don't perk it.
Y'all want to say what up to the YouTube?
What is up?
My YouTube. You've been in this like 7 times. Damn. What up? We got a new person, Elijah. We got a new person. What up, Ryder? Show yourself out. This is your YouTube.
The YouTube?
Yeah. You want to hop in the YouTube?
What the fuck is up, YouTube? What the fuck is up, YouTube?
We got Marvin. Marvin, say what up to the YouTube.
Hey.
Hey, want to say what up to the YouTube?
What up?
I fuck with it.
Yeah, there better be some hoes pulling up over this
Remove
shit.
the beer or whatever.
Monster. I ain't drinking yet.
There y'all go. Y'all want to say what up to the YouTube, y'all? There y'all go.
I don't think I should be on camera because if my mom sees me, I'm cooked. But she's not on YouTube. Don't even know YouTube.
More people. Cuz is pouring hella gas. Do a trail, so hella gas for the.
Throw it back up.
What the fuck? I didn't know you had a lighter yet.
You were all up in that fucking fire.
Where's my shoe?
I don't know, it hit me and went somewhere.
Where'd my shoe go?
I need to see that shit because that shit went up my leg.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, you got that shit on video, don't you?
Yeah, I got it on video. What the fuck, YouTube?
Let me see that shit.
Hold on, let me find my shoe. Where's my shoe? My shoe.
I didn't even light it right
Help me
then.
find my shoe.
Oh, it's right here.
Is it burnt?
Dude, I was fucking standing right there when you lit that shit.
Holy fuck.
No, because I thought when I
Oh shit, I just caught on fire. I got it on fucking YouTube.
Fucking go.
There y'all go.
Yo.
Oh hell.
I'm looking back at the videos, right? My phone died when I was videoing from the whole party, right? And I forgot about that because, like, I just forgot. And then I put my phone on the charger, and then this shit happened, which will be edited in like, now, so.
Oh!
Damn, Bailey gets the big girls when he drunk. Oh, Lord.
Oh yeah. Good boy. I'm good. You good, family. You good. You good.
Landscape for the YouTube.
He's just a little dumb.
And I gotta restart it because it's still.
Oh no, not Brody! He'll be good. No. Just get him to throw it up.
Hey, he'll be okay, dude. Just let him be. He's blacking out.
Y'all missed it. My phone died. The party got shut down, and we just had to.
Literally the only female that knows.
Oh, who's a good little baby?
He's
He's a good little baby.
If you want him to throw up.
Brody, do you want to go to the hotel with us?
No, he's staying with me.
Okay, put him to sleep.
Why are you going to the hotel?
Just lay him on his side.
Hey, where do we
He
put
said
his tent?
no. Okay. He just shaking his head. He doesn't even know.
Okay,
Nigga,
no,
I say we
Daddy,
just leave him
Brody,
in the grass. He won't.
No, wait, he's
Yeah.
fucked up.
His ass will be comfortable as fuck.
Honestly,
He can lay on the
do you
bed
just
now,
want to
he
sleep? Do you want to sleep?
Put him in the bed.
Wait.
Just lay him on his side so he
It's
doesn't
okay,
fall.
Brody. Don't die. Don't.
Good. What do you want?
Thor. Get that light out of my face.
What? Look at you, drunk asses.
Saying, ayo, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life. Saying, ayo, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this club. We gon' go all night. We gon' light. I don't think I should be on camera because if my mom sees me, I'm cooked. But she's not on YouTube. Now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I came to move. Get out the way of me and my crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do.
next day.
Right, Malik got the wheel. We got someone. We in this big ass field, so drive.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. All right, chill. Chill. Oh shit. Oh, chill. Hell yeah, niggas. 405.
Oh shit, he's getting on the dirt bike.
Alright, relax.
No, not that way. You go that way.
Relax, nigga, relax.
Get off the track.
All right. I see, bro. Bro, I see, bro.
You're running shit over my nigga. Stop. What? Hold.
Wait, how did he get off?
I didn't even know you got off.
All right, then we'll be back, y'all.